One of the biggest mistakes small business owners make with digital marketing is sitting on their hands, either because they're afraid to start or they don't know where to begin. I'm Lauren Begley, founder of Propel Digital. We help small business with digital strategies and social media marketing. In this video, I'll let you in on how to choose the right channels for your audience and how to be more strategic with your marketing. One of the easiest ways to know which channels to focus on is to survey your current customer base. Ask them why they've decided to work with you, what problems they were struggling with, which social channels they use, and whether they like seeing emails in their inbox. This feedback helps to create the right messaging to speak to the right customers on the right channels. You can also learn a lot from competitor research. See where they're active and what their customers are engaging with. Once you have that information, you're ready to start having a go. And it's okay to tiptoe. There's a misconception that you've got to go big or go home in this space. But small businesses have a limited time and budget, and you can gain a lot of understanding about your customers if you just start small. That could be a $5 a day budget invested in digital ads, or from a time perspective, it could be 1 to 2 posts a week. The data you gather will give you a guide to where you're going to see returns. You'll also need to balance paid versus organic marketing. Organic posts are uploaded to your social channels for free, but are subject to algorithms. Paid ads ensures your content reaches a targeted audience, but it doesn't have to be a massive investment. Consider what results you want and then decide how much to spend. Is it for awareness, visibility, lead generation, or online sales? Paid shouldn't replace organic content. When people discover you through ads, they'll visit your social pages, and that's where organic marketing is the solid foundation, showing customers what your business stands for. So here's a 3-step cheat sheet to get you started. 1, do your research. Before jumping straight into strategy, talk to your customers and look at your competitors to see where your market is active. 2, test and learn. Once you think you know your channel mix, start small and have a go. 3, analyze the results. By tracking key performance indicators and the return on investment, small business owners can justify every dollar spent. Learn which efforts are generating profit and scale those efforts for sustainable, long-term growth. The data will tell you if your approach is working, and if it's not, refine your strategy. Quick tip, be realistic. Your strategy has to be achievable for your business, and it's better to do a few hero channels well than try to be everywhere. Try this one thing today. Start conceptualizing a small, repeatable strategy using the research you've gathered. Consider which channels and how often you're going to post, plan what you'll post, and just get started. To keep learning and growing, search CommBank Business Masterclass.